Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to cover the infinite credits. Now this is a hidden feature that we added for a customer some time ago, but it's quite useful in some cases when you're testing, but you may also want to use this feature yourself as well. So you can see up here I've added the credit balance to display the user credit balance. There's a separate video on how to do that. That's just using a shortcode here. But the reason I'm pointing that out is that we know there's a credit balance on this user, right? So if I come in and edit this user profile, and we just scroll down here and say we were editing this, if we put -1 in this user credit amount and just update that profile. Now when we revisit this site, I'm just going to refresh this page. You can now see that the credit balance has changed, and you can see if I just zoom in slightly, you can see it's now changed to an infinity sign. So essentially the user has unlimited credits to use. So if you're testing on your site and you just want to not have to keep topping up the credits, you could set that as -1 for your user profile. But you can also have some sort of plan for users where they get unlimited credits. So you just set the user credit balance to be -1 and it's going to set them to be unlimited. Now, there may be an instance where you're deducting credits from users, and if you accidentally give them -1 credit, then you got to be aware that that's going to happen as well. So it's kind of a hidden feature, but obviously you need to be aware of it. So I'm making this video to make you aware of it, but it can be useful. Yeah, infinite credits on user credits, and great feature for testing on your site. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also, if you got a comment, leave a comment, and if you got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.